Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike Stallone, and today what we're gonna be doing.
Hold on, Mike, wait. What are you doing with all this tape and the thing again?
Oh, that's beautiful right there, Nick. I have an idea.
Again?
All right, guys, this may seem like deja vu, but I promise you we're not crazy. This is the third part of our science experiment with the RC Cars series, and what we're gonna be doing today is taking this Arrma Mojave, well, it doesn't really look that pretty right now, with pool noodles and everything, and we're gonna crash it into soda cans as fast as we possibly can. We wanna see if we could do just as much damage as we did with the X-Max to the watermelon to these cans.
Wait, where are you gonna get soda cans?
Fortunately for you, I also went shopping for those. Let's go. All right, guys, so to explain a little bit better what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be running down this path like we usually do, and we're gonna try and hit this can as fast as we possibly can. I hope you can see that. And we're gonna be able to capture it in slow motion. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, missed it! Let's go again. Oh! Let's go! That was amazing. We absolutely destroyed that can. Did you get wet? No. That was amazing.
No, I was safely behind it.
Holy cow. That is amazing. Let's see the damage. We're good. Let's keep going, baby.
The pool noodle is a definite strat.
For round number 2, we're gonna be hitting that tower right there. We're gonna up it to three cans to see if 3 cans can stop this Mojave. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go. That was incredible. Nick, did we get all 3 cans?
I see 1 broken can, I see 2 broken cans. Yep, I see.
Holy cow, look at that shrapnel. The Arrma Mojave is perfect. Look at this damage, guys. Holy cow. That is incredible. All right. This is another attempt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go 2 deep. So we're gonna put 1 in front. Well, really 1 deep, but we're gonna see if this is gonna be enough to stop it or what happens here. But, all right, guys. Next one. This truck is an absolute beast. Nothing's wrong with it. So let's move on to the grand finale.
Yeah, no more baby steps.
Nick's been excited about this one. Look at all this carnage here, guys. All right, this is the last one. The grand finale. Nick, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, hit it!
Let's go, grand finale. Oh man, we just clipped it.
3, 2, 1, hit it!
What happened, Nick?
There is no other cans that are damaged. This isn't even damaged.
Did we only get the one can?
I think we only got the one can. This one got damaged from falling.
Let's restack it up. Let's do this again. All right, guys, the grand finale for real. We can't miss this time. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, missed it. We're gonna go again. That was insane. Oh. That could be the end of Nick's GoPro. Look at the damage. Holy cow. That was insane. Well, that was absolutely amazing. Went way better than the banana test. We absolutely shredded these cans. Nick, what do you think about this?
I think that these cans had no chance up against the Arrma Mojave. It's just
Look at that carnage though. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna be doing more content like this, so don't forget to subscribe to see more like this. Guys, make sure you comment what you wanna see us do next, or what you wanna see us hit next, because we have these trucks and we are not afraid to use them, baby. Hooking and cooking.